Good afternoon, ma'am.
Very good afternoon, sir.
How are you?
I'm fine. What about you?
I'm also good, ma'am. Today, I'm going to ask you some basic questions. Are you ready for these questions?
Yes, sir.
My first question is, do you use bags often?
I use bag only when it is needed. That's it.
Do you usually carry a bag when you go out?
I don't carry bag when I go out. When I have to carry a heavy stuff or something, only in that condition I carry bag.
Do you have different bags for different occasions?
Definitely not, because I am not a big fan of bags. So I have only one bag, which is my college bag. I take that bag when I go out.
Who do you trust the most?
I can say that I trust the most is my family, because in my all ups and downs and all the difficulties, my family is the one who stood up for me every single time.
Have you ever lost trust in someone?
Yes, I have lost trust as my one of my closest friend. Because of some incident we lost touch, and we lost connectivity. That incident is very private, so I don't want to share it.
Ma'am, what kind of people do you trust?
Mm, I don't have any proper category for that, but I nowadays seeing what happening with people who are betrayed by most of friends. I trust only my family.
Do you trust artificial intelligence?
Maybe yes or maybe not, because sometimes artificial intelligence helps us a lot.
What things make you tired?
Things that make me tired when I am stressed out or frustrated, or do very much domestic work. So these are the things.
What do you do when you feel tired?
When I feel tired, I only do one thing. I go to my bed, lay down, and listen to some relaxed music.
Who do you prefer to talk to when you feel mentally tired, your families or friends?
When I am mentally tired, neither my friends nor my family. I prefer to talk to my therapist at that time.
Do you want to talk to strangers when you feel mentally tired?
Definitely not, because when I'm mentally tired, I probably be frustrated. So I don't want to be rude personality for some stranger.
Do you often wear makeup?
I don't wear makeup. I wear makeup only on special occasions like parties or family functions.
What does wearing makeup mean to you?
As I said to you that I don't use makeup that much quantity, so I don't know about it that much.
Do you give makeup as a gift?
As a gift, makeup definitely not. Although I have so many female friends, but this question is never crossed my mind that I should gift somebody as makeup as a gift.
How often do you eat with your family?
I can say that because of my busy schedule and all my studies and classes, I get very few chances to eat with them.
Do you like eating healthy food?
Yes, I like eating healthy food because it is necessary for our health, and it gives us nutrition and proteins.
Do you eat out a lot?
No, I don't eat a lot outside, because it is firstly it is very expensive, and secondly it is unhygienic or not good for our health.
Do you prefer eating home or at a restaurant?
As I said in my previous question that eating outside is expensive, so definitely I will prefer eating at home.
Will you learn other languages in the future?
Yes, I will love to learn other languages in future, because it will gonna help me a lot in my job interviews.
Do you think it is difficult to learn a new language?
For some people it is difficult, and for some people it is complicated, but for me it is only difficult because I love to interact with those things which is difficult, and love to do those things which is interesting and challenge your capability.
What languages can you speak these days?
These days I can speak, aside from my mother tongue and English, I can speak Haryanvi language. Hindi is my mother tongue, and Haryanvi is my hometown's language, and English I am learning nowadays.
Why do more and more people prefer to learn English these days?
Because I am going to tell my story. When I was in school, I don't focus on that thing that English is necessary in future. But when I came in college, I find out that all over people are speaking English and it is necessary. So I think that is the main reason to stable your condition and set your mark in society. English is very important.
Do you make plans every day?
Yes, I make little plans every day, like what I have to do on next day. I plan that what I have to do before going to bed.
Are you good at managing your time?
Definitely not. I am not good in managing time because my hectic schedule. Sometimes plans got wasted.
What is the latest plan you made?
Latest plan I have made that I have to follow my diet chart, which is recommended by my nutrition.
Okay. Why do some people throw garbage on the street?
People who do these kind of activities, I can say that they have lack of discipline, and they definitely not care about environment and any other people's.
Could you tell me something about your hometown?
Yes, I will definitely love to. I am living in Rohtak, Haryana, and here I can say that here we got all over the facilities like hospitals, cinemas, and restaurants. So I love my hometown because I born here, and my parents also teach me a lot about my hometown.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I love to travel, but only on occasions. Like not usually, I love to travel. When it is needed or necessary, I travel only those conditions.
Is there any place in your hometown where you like to go?
Yes, there are so many restaurants I like to go there because their foods are very good.
What activities do people like to do when they go to park?
People do like they like to swing and do exercise, walking, jogging for their better health.
Do children play outdoor games the most or indoor games the most in your country?
Nowadays in my country, children play indoor games most. Not indoor games also, they play on video games so in their mobiles, and don't like that much to go outside because of summers and sunlight.
May I ask you a cue card also, if you feel comfortable with speaking?
Yes sir, definitely you can.
Okay. So the cue card I am giving you on the spot, and the cue card is you have to talk about a festival which is very popular in your country.
Okay.
The follow-up questions and points of these questions is: what is the festival? What activities do people like to do on this day?
Okay.
What activity do you do on this day? And why this festival is so popular in your country?
Okay. So shall I start?
Sure.
Okay. So firstly, although there are so many festivals in my country which is popular and celebrated by all the citizens, the most popular festival in my country, I can say it is Diwali, because Diwali is a festival of lights and all people love to celebrate Diwali. On this occasion, people wear their finest clothes and make new foods and dishes, and kids burn crackers, and people worship Lord Rama, Lord Ganesha, and Mata Lakshmi on this day. As a mythology, our ancestors told us that on this day, Lord Ramchandra comes to his hometown after hometown Ayodhya after 14 years of exile, and he won on darkness, and we celebrate this day because we have taught that our ancestors have taught us that it is the day of happiness and joyful, so we have to celebrate this with all our happiness and family or friends. On this day, after worshipping God, people burn crackers and share their memories and sweets with their friends and family, and There are so many activities people do on Diwali, like they clean their house, shop, and decorate their house and renovate their house. So these are the things.
Okay. What other festivals are there in your country which people like to celebrate?
There are so many festivals that people celebrate. On second, I can say that it is Holi. On this day, people play. Firstly, on first day, people worship Mata Holika, and our second day, people play with colors and water balloons, and they share sweets with each other, and uh, hug each other, and play in happiness and joyful. They love to celebrate Holi as well.
Do you think that celebrating festival is a wastage of money as well as time?
Yes, I think that, because nowadays nobody is focusing and interested in celebrating festivals because of their hectic schedule and their jobs and all. Most of the people are think that it is very wastage of time and money, because only few peoples are there, like our grandfather and grandmother. They are interested still to celebrate these kind of festivals, but today's generation is not that much excited as they were.
What activities do children like to do on festivals?
Children like to do, it depends on festival, what kind of festival it is. Mostly children's love to do is that they like to eat sweets, and they go outside with their family to visit new places.
Do you think that parents should encourage their children to celebrate festivals more or not?
I think that parents should teach their children how much important festivals in our country. As per Hindu manyata, it is very, it is like we are, it is like in culture. We have to celebrate these kind of festivals like Holi, Deepavali, Tej, etc.
Do you celebrate festival these days more as compared to the past?
No, definitely not. Because when I was a kid, I used to celebrate festivals with happiness and joyfulness. But now I am not that much interested in celebrating any festival.
Do you think that in the coming days some festivals will lose its popularity?
Uh, yes, definitely yes. Like when I was a kid, so I saw that people are celebrating Tej festival with very joyful and excitement. But now I see that people are not that much interested in celebrating Tej. Only few people are there who celebrate Tej and fly kite on that day.
That's all what to speak.
Thank you, sir.